Today we're heading up to the ranger station to drop a car off, and then we're going to shuttle ourselves up to through West Yellowstone to a ranger station up near Old Faithful. When we get up to Old Faithful, that's where our trailhead is. So that's where we start hiking. Good morning.
Good morning.
Fueling up for a day on the trail.
Not until we have our freeze-dried biscuits and gravy.
Mountain House freeze-dried biscuits and gravy.
Is it better than the eggs though?
I actually think it's better than the eggs.
I don't.
Oh, I really love the eggs.
The egg slapped.
That's shocking because the texture of the eggs is...
It's not great.
Good morning.
Good morning. Feeling ready?
Yeah, I'm ready for the logistical part to be done.
Are we gonna wear our packs?
Yeah. At the trailhead?
Yeah.
It's gonna be bad.
How are you? You look beautiful. How'd you sleep?
Good. What about you?
I slept pretty good actually.
Yeah?
Shockingly.
Yeah?
I think the river noise helps.
Oh, it really did.
How are you feeling, Jenna? How'd you sleep?
Okay. I hit my cap on my door really hard.
Yikes.
Let's get to it.
To backward?
Beckler.
Talk to you guys in 5 minutes.
You guys are.
Oh my god. Like we drove into heaven.
See how these windows. It's a rock. Everyone will.
So beautiful. Why do people pulled a Yui but had to do a 3-point turn?
Look at all those
Stop
people out there.
2 lanes of traffic.
Start over.
Hello, I'm Corey. This is my pack.
How much?
35.
That's not that bad.
I'm Janelle, and my pack before hiking weighs 30 pounds.
That's it?
Say your name.
I'm not ready yet.
When you're ready.
Hi, I am MJ. We are at 36 pounds.
Okay.
Nice.
You and Corey are about the same. Right.
First Trisha.
I'm Trisha Rogers. we do. I'm Lauren Rogers, and my pack weighs, oh my gosh, 30? I almost fell over.
You need someone to help you?
Yeah, okay, can I go?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm Lauren Rogers, and my pack weighs 30 pounds. I'm Am, and my pack weighs 32. I can't really see it.
Oh. Yeah.
Nice.
Boom! I thought 35. My name is Jenna. I'm the only one carrying all of my own shit, so that's gonna be my excuse. Oh, 30. That's not bad. I'm Alex, and my pack weighs 34? 34?
That's not
okay,
bad.
I'll take it.
The little hops we do to get our pack.
Watch my camera. Almost.
I'm there. Danger.
Sorry, I didn't listen to any of it. I'm sorry.
You can hear it.
Okay, let's do this.
That's pretty cool.
Still didn't do it.
You can see the steam rising off of
I
it.
wish it was like cold, tropical water.
Yeah, right? The lake will be like that.
I hope so.
So clear.
Tell us about it.
Yeah. No, because I saw this last year and I called it the wrong thing. And I'm gonna call it the wrong thing again. It's something lady tresses.
Silver.
No.
Whatever we eat, we're gonna love it because we're gonna be on the trail.
I do wish I had a beer.
We're a lively bunch, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I think we're a bunch that's ready for a swim.
Ready for a swim.
Sustainable.
Water, please. Can I fill that other one?
Oh dear God.
Don't have to.
I can't do this without technical.
I need one too. Are you kidding me? What a flex. I have the best balance in all the land.
No, that's Simone Biles.
You're right. How could I forget about Simone? Oh. We are very close to finishing day one. We end at Shoshone Lake. We're all planning on jumping in, and it's gonna feel so good. I think this was an 8-mile day. Thankfully, most of the days from here on out are downhill for like the majority of it, so should be a good time.
Geyser Basin Foot Trail.
Yeah, we don't want that.
Okay. Should we make Corey go first in case he's wrong?
I'm not wrong.
He goes down.
Sort of.
Sort of.
Maybe in like, I think in like less than a quarter mile, we're gonna take a right.
It's better than he.
It is.
Like Michigan or something.
Yeah. This is awesome.
I don't think any of us are in that bad of shape. Did you get a new bug bite on you?
Yeah. No. I'm so sorry.
I need the reds.
Just like douse you in the strongest bug repellent that we have. We'll give you,
You
like a
could
nice
try.
cocktail of DEET and
You sure can try.
whatever.
They love me.
Not the love.
It feels really good. Okay.
Oh, it feels great. Just dive in.
Low mic and big mic matching.
I'm actually Big Mike.
Yeah, he's little Mike.
Low mic. What you got for dinner?
Spaghetti.
Oh.
Haven't tried it yet. We'll see. I'm not sharing. Now I've got chicken and rice.
Red bell peppers, carrots, and celery.
Is
Yes,
this a
that's
Mountain
not
House?
good.
It looks new
It's-
branding.
The Mountain House Pro Pack, which I've never heard of before.
Ooh.
But they had it at the Moose Jaw
Are you more excited for the chicken or the rice?
chicken.
Okay, great.
I have the bison chili. It's a repeat. That looks good. It's really good, actually. And MJ has grass-fed beef and spaghetti with marinara sauce.
Hey.
Okay, so you guys are like kind
His
of
is
twinning.
much nicer.
Big Mike and Low Mike
more
twinning
coordinating.
again.
I recommend these. Well, we've only had them once, but the bison chili is actually really
What brand
good.
is it?
Heather's choice.
Where do you
get
find
them?
them?
Yeah.
We got them at Shields, and they were like at least 20% off.
Never set foot in a Shields.
That's the only
Oh,
why we
dude,
went
Shields
there.
is dangerous.
Oh,
You
like
can
dicks?
get lost in a Shields.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Hi.
Corey,
What up? Beef stroganoff with noodles.
a classic Corey meal. I have herb roasted chicken that I will be adding dairy-free mashed potatoes to.
It's like cut up spaghetti.
Yes.
Okay.
How are you, sir?
It's really good.
Is it good?
It tastes like
Hiking
real
good.
spaghetti. It's delicious.
I would give this a solid 8.5.
Wow. What was this one for you?
That was like a 9.
What was it for you?
Wow.
Rolling, falling
A
over.
7.5, which is probably good for backpacking food.
Okay.
But this is one of 3 I've had ever.
9.
Wow. The beef stroganoff always hits for you, I feel.
It's good.
I think 9. I don't
I'd go
10.
10.
A 10?
I'd be happy if I was out to dinner and was served that.
Wow.
Love it. I only would want cheese. That would make it a 10.
Yeah.
Like some Olive Garden, tell me
Yes,
when kind of cheese.
100%. But yes, it was great.
I give mine a solid 9.5. I think it is.
Whoa!
It's my favorite of the backpacking meals. It's the spot.
Oh, what about you?
I think that I give this combo, I think I give it a 9. I think this alone is not a 9, and this alone is also not a 9. But together, they make a full 9. That doesn't mean that they're each 4.5, for the record. I hate that.
These, you
Corey's
know,
the only person I ever. Oh, I guess yours.
these are really good, actually.
I'm gonna save my chicken and rice.
No, that's
Very fine.
Hoist.
Oh, so if you use a stick, you can.
How many women does it take to hoist the food bag? Nice!
You hoist.
No.
I
Yeah, this is not how we're doing it. I have to do it myself.
Okay. Corey's better without me. Moral of the story.
You need help? No. Wants to do it alone.
I do it alone.
Okay. Bye.
Today we're gonna go see the thermal hot springs area that's close to here, and then we hike 10 miles. We're gonna go to Mr. Bubbles, and then we hike 2 more miles ish to our campsite. I'm I'm excited but also kind of apprehensive because we got so tired yesterday and it wasn't a hard day. Today's harder, so I'm kind of scared. The heat, that was your theory, was the heat. I don't know, but maybe we're just not used to carrying 30 pounds on our backs.
That's true.
It'll be a little better today because we ate some food.
Side quest mission accomplished. Jenna doing yoga by the geyser. Worthwhile?
Yeah.
What do we think? Mm-hmm.
Yes, 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 yes.
I agree. Yep.
He's got way better endurance now than
Was he really bad when he was a puppy?
He's got no sprint ability though.
he does after he poops. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not a very fast sprint, but
The
he
first time I
True.
saw him sprint was at the dog park.
I was wondering if it would tell us where Beckler or how many miles to Beckler. It
Oh,
doesn't.
yeah.
Plenty.
There's, yeah, lots. I think at least 25.
That was work.
That was.
Oh. I'm dying.
I think it's the weather.
The breeze is really nice.
I'm surprised. Like, I'm just surprised.
we do something where we tell how we feel. I'm a 10.
I would like to tell everybody how great I feel.
I just feel stronger than yesterday.
Okay, so you feel 8 out of 10. Alex.
I think I'm probably an 8 too. Better than yesterday.
Wow,
Filled with,
it had to be the spaghetti.
filled with spaghetti. Yeah. I feel pretty good.
8.75.
Oh my goodness.
Great.
All right, I'll be the first honest one. I feel like a 6.5.
Okay. That's not that
pretty
bad
good.
though, actually.
Same. 6.5.
Okay.
I'll go 8.5.
Oh my god. I think I'm gonna stick with my women here and go 6'5".
What's nice is I can put my hands
It's raining. It's the shoulder pad vibe for me. Oh my gosh, the peaks. Are you joking? They're so pretty. Did you get really sweaty on that?
Yep.
Same.
So,
I was gonna try the lower log. I felt like maybe
That would be really cool to like start to get the spread out friend groups to also come.
it rained for a minute on us not too long ago, and then all of a sudden blue skies, and we were in a forest and now we're in a meadow. Things are changing. There's starting to be some waterfalls. I think we're about to get soon to the point where Amherst, Corey, and I ended last year. We didn't do a through hike last year. We did out and back from the south part of the park. So this year, since we're going north to south, this has been all new terrain for us. So it's very exciting.
Yeah,
It's
a little like.
beautiful.
Just have to believe us, you know.
At an impasse. The trail gets really soggy here. Ooh, it's wet and sticky, but it actually does kind of feel good. Ugh, there's some deep spots. Was that the move?
It was the move. We did it. Lukewarm water.
Nothing like it.
We're going to see words. We're going to see Twister Falls. Slight detour from the trail, and we got to drop the packs.
Because it's only like 0.1 mile down here.
And we haven't seen this before, so we're excited. Way down here.
We're on the twist part now.
You look for the tornado?
It does look like it's like twisting as it comes down.
It's beautiful.
Very cool.
And back up we go.
Don't want to fall down that. That would suck.
Yes, it would. 23 miles.
No, 14 miles.
Oh, thank God. That'd be really bad if we saw
We're almost
23
there.
miles.
There's
There's a camp there. Close to finding it last time.
Were we actually that close?
We were very close.
Yeah.
Damn.
Well, you get to see it this time.
Waterfall's right over there.
It's better this time than never.
I feel like I remember seeing this trail and just being like, it can't be down there. Oh boy. Don't touch the water.
You can see the steam rising up. We finally found him. This is an exciting day. Although truthfully I'm so hot, I need to dip in the river before I dip in Mr. Bubbles because it will literally make me sick to sit in hot water feeling as hot as I feel right now. There he is, Mr. Bubble himself. Holy snakes, dude.
This does not seem real.
There's people coming don the trail.
Damn it, it's a kid too.
And a kid.
And a kid?
2 kids.
I guess.
It's really weird. Like this leg is super hot and this leg is cold.
Okay. I kind of like the cold.
Hi, does it take words?
Delicious.
Not poison?
Not poison.
We have left Mr. Bubbles and are on our way to camp. 3 miles. Also, there's thunder.
I got it.
Hooey.
Hooey. What do we think? Is it doable by log?
The log doesn't go all the way to the end.
I so very much don't want to do this right now. No! Ah!
Just in case I fall.
Oh, don't speak that into the world. Ugh.
Pretty sure I just got my pants wet again.
Oh, no.
That's okay.
Made it. Didn't want to take my shoes off, but we did it.
What the hell?
Wait, can I get closer?
Oh, you may.
This is a boa.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Wait, can I get closer?
of it because I didn't see a head on it. Thought he was dead. Yeah, I thought he was dead or a worm.
It looks like a worm.
Jenna was like, "Is that a giant worm?" That's crazy. I thought it was a long.
The way you tell is with the eyes.
We did it. We did it!
You have to try it first.
I kind of did. We have grilled chicken with spinach Alfredo pasta.
Wow, it's so hot.
Something's crunchy.
What could it be? I don't know. I didn't get anything crunchy.
Cheesy chicken and broccoli rice thing.
Chicken and dumplings with vegetables.
With vegetables. Are you excited?
I didn't know about that part.
I have pad thai.
How you feeling after today?
Good. We did 16 miles today, and tomorrow we have 12. It'll be easier.
I slept okay. I slept better than last night, so I feel like that's best case scenario.
I was really sick last night. Sick? Dill pickle chips. Excuse me?
Crunchy? Dry biscuits.
Pro tip. Before adding water, break apart biscuits into smaller pieces if desired. Idiots. Shut them.
Starting off in the cold, cold water.
I'm gonna feel so alive.
Feel something.
Okay, here we go.
We're starting off today immediately with a water crossing that's right by our campsite, and it's going to be so cold. It was also colder last night than it was the night before, so all of us are pretty much dreading it. How's it feel?
It's cold. But you're already cold.
There's just a whole long line of...
I'm so glad that was not deeper.
Shoes fit on perfectly low.
Yay! It's over!
Not as bad as I expected.
Take it off.
Does not look bad. We're at Beckler River. We're crossing the river.
Crossing number 2 of day 3. He was about to lose it.
With the size of glory.
I wonder if we go up a little bit, it looks shallower.
I think it's gotta be shallower over there.
That's exactly what we
Hey,
just
you think
said.
it's shallower over there?
I'm going up further.
Okay, I'm gonna follow you.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, it's so cold. It feels so good.
Looks good.
My feet are numb.
I think I made that shirt smell real bad.
Yeah, you did.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Why do men smell so bad? I did not put deodorant on today. It's because of
You brought
androgens.
deodorant?
Yeah, an unscented one.
Unscented deodorant.
Oh,
Yeah.
I think my scent is enough to repel the bears
I think it is.
instead of actively attract them.
If a bear came up to you and you took your shoe off and shoved it in its face,
It would run away.
it would run away.
It would change states.
Huckleberry?
Sure.
Going?
You're knocking me over here. We spend all day.
Taking all day.
Oh no, that one's good. Wow.
Life changing. Very sweet.
They're honestly,
That was good.
there's
That was
some
really good.
there's some ripe ones in there. Keep your eyes out.
Oh, there's two?
No, that's not even raspberries.
That's not a service berry. Are they good to eat?
Mmm. Mmm. Oh my gosh.
Thorny.
That was so good.
This is a little guy, but oh my. Ooh.
Oh.
Here you go, Jenna.
No, no, no. I had my perfect. Okay, thank you. Oh, they're so juicy.
Wow.
Yep. Oh, tasty.
Killer.
Oh my
All
goodness.
right, try it.
Very good.
Delectable.
Just tripping. Oh, I have service. What happened?
We made it. I guess you could go ahead first.
It's not very deep. It's cold, but it feels great. All right, that felt great. Now I need to go put sunscreen on so I don't get blasted. Refreshing. It's refreshing as hell.
To go there because I don't want to
Get a running start. Oh, this is gonna shock the system.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Oh god! Woo, baby!
Oh man.
Oh my god, it's so cold. It's so cold. It is like stop your heart cold. It feels so good.
What? Wait, you gotta make a choice on your own, man.
Alex, did you go in yet?
Okay.
It does feel so good.
I hate this.
3, 2, 1.
did it. Are you so proud? Alex, you did it.
Dogs are barking.
How you feel?
Tremendous.
Yeah, because you had
Horrible.
biscuits in. Wait, did you say tremendously horrible?
Yes.
Okay. Perfect.
It's long distance.
Yeah.
Worth it.
Yeah.
Another one.
My truck!
Beer everywhere.
We've got cosmic brownies down. Casualties.
Make sure there's no coffee though.
Oh, there is a little bit.
Contaminate the taste of it.
I know you know. I know you know. Look at you go.
Now let's give us the story.
Beautiful. That's good. Thank you. That's good.